Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. And this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Nursery. And our today's topic is Rearrange, Arabic letter number 1. Okay, my dear students, let's see the board. Topic: Rearrange number 1, lecture number 6, SW number 6, and today's date. So, my dear students, let's start our today's topic. Our topic is rearrange the following Arabic letters, and rearrange number 1. That means rearrange. There are two rearrange. First one today I will discuss, and the second one I will discuss later. My dear students, listen to me carefully and look at the board. The first letter is ta, and the second one is dal, and after that kha, za, to, ra, swad, shin, dod, tha, dal, alif, jim, ba, sin, and ha. My dear students, you have already learned Arabic alphabet or Arabic letters alif to ya. So these letters are not rearranged, not arranged properly. So we have to arrange. So we have to write in by arranging correctly. Let's start. Normal as a Muslim. As you have already learned alif to ya, so the first one will be alif. So number 1 will be alif, and after alif it ba comes. So it will be here ba, and second one will be ta. So ta is here, so it will come here. After ta, the letter tha comes. So tha is here, we have to write here. Now after tha, the letter jim comes. So jim is written here, we have to write there. We have to write here. Now after jim, the letter comes, the letter ha comes. So where is ha? Here is ha. So we will write here ha. Now kha will be written here. So where is kha? My dear students, in the first row, first line, kha is written. So kha will be here. Now after kha, the letter dal will come after kha. Where is dal? Dal is written in the second line. So we'll write dal after kha, and after dal, dal comes. So dal. Now after dal, the letter comes. Which letter comes, dear students? Ra comes after dal. So where is ra? Ra is written in the first line. So ra will be here. Now which letter comes after ra? Za. The answer will be za. The za is written in the first line also. So we will write here ra, za. Now which letter comes after za? Sin. Sin comes after za. The sin, where is sin? Sin is here. Sin is written in the last line. So we'll write sin. After sin, which letter comes? shin comes after sin. So shin is written in the second line. So we'll write here shin. Now after shin, which letter comes? Swad. The students, where is swad? Swad is written in the second line. So we will write swad after shin. After swad, the letter comes. Which letter comes? Duad. So duad is written in the second line. So we will write duad after swad. Now, which letter comes after duad? Toa. So toa comes after duad. My dear students, there are 16 letters written here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. So 16 or 17. So dear students, there are 16 letters. So and we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have found 16 letters. So my dear students, I repeat, there are some letters in which are written not arranging. So we have to write by arranging. So the first one is alif, second one is ba after ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, swad, dod and twat. My dear students, I will discuss the rearrange number 2 in the next class. Now your SW and your SW topic will be same. That means all letters. You have to rearrange the letters. You can write by making a row or make you can write also by normally. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Stay safe and well. Abide by your parents. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.